Hello everyone. So in this lecture, I'm going to generate the SSH key on the control node. So why I'm doing so? Just to create a passwordless authentication from your control node to the clients for user Ubuntu. Make sure you have logged into your control machine as a Ubuntu user. Or if you want to make some different user like swarma user or test user, so make sure that user should be existing on all your clients as well. Suppose you want to use test user for the Ansible communication. So very first step, you have to create a test user on your control node, and the same test user you have to create on all your clients which you want to manage from your control node. But here I'm going to use the Ubuntu user. So how to generate the SSH key? So the command is ssh-keygen and -t rsa and -b 4096. Just press enter. So keys has been created. Let me show you. So here you will see one hidden directory with the name of .ssh. Let me go inside, and here you will see two files. This is your public file and this is your private file. So you need to copy the public file from your control node to your client machine in the same location with a different name, that is authorized_keys. So one way, you just copy the file manually. Other way, you can use a command, that is SSH copy. So let me show you how we can do that. SSH copy, the command was this one, SSH copy ID, this one. And Ubuntu @client 1. Now it is asking for the password. So we have already set the password of Ubuntu on client 1. So same you have to use it. So that's done. It has copied the public key. So let me show you. So this is my client machine, and let me first come back to my Ubuntu user, increase the font size, and I'm in this location. So it has created this directory, and in this directory there is a file with the name of authorized_key. So with the help of this command, that is ssh-copy-id, it has copied the content of this one, that is your public file, this one. Let me show you. So it has copied the content of this public file into the client one, and the name of the file is authorized_keys. So after firing this command, what will happen? The communication between control node to client one would be passwordless for user Ubuntu. So let me try SSH and client 1. Now you can see it didn't ask for any password. Now let me exit from here. Now let me try to access client 2. So it is asking for the password because we have not copied the public key. So how we can do that? So again, I'm going to use the same command, that is SSH copy ID and Ubuntu @client 2. It is asking for the password. That's done. Now again, let me try to access to client 2. It should not ask for any password. Here you can see. So all done. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I am going to create the inventory file, and in the inventory file, I am going to put the detail of your client machine which you want to manage from your control node. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.